Evolution is happening all around us, even if we don't always notice it. It's the driving force that allows living organisms to adapt and survive in a constantly changing world. But today, we're diving into some of nature's most bizarre creations. Why do some herbivores grow fangs? Why are animals afraid of evolution? And how does nature steal uniqueness from its creatures? Let's explore. Meet the flightless cormorant of the Galapagos Islands. Unlike its flying relatives, this bird has lost its ability to soar through the skies. Why? Because in an environment with no predators, flying became unnecessary. Instead, these cormorants have become expert swimmers, hunting fish and marine life with ease. Sometimes, evolution takes away what's no longer needed. Nature can create some truly strange creatures. Take the cyclops shark, for example, a rare albino shark with a single eye. Or the blobfish, often called the world's ugliest animal. But did you know the blobfish only looks like a melted jellyfish when brought to the surface? At depths of 1,200 meters, it looks like a normal fish. Evolution works in mysterious ways. Sometimes, evolution makes decisions that leave us scratching our heads. The noseless monkey, for instance, lives in freezing mountain forests. To prevent frostbite, nature simply removed its nose. On the other hand, the Ankole Watusi cow uses its enormous horns to cool down in the African heat. Blood circulates through the horns, cooling before returning to the body. Evolution solutions can be both strange and brilliant. Donkeys are another example of evolution's quirks. Their hooves are perfectly adapted to rocky desert terrain, but in softer environments, they grow too long and cause problems. Without human intervention, donkeys can suffer from infections and mobility issues. Evolution doesn't always get it right. Sheep are famous for their wool, but sometimes, evolution goes overboard. Some sheep grow so much wool that they lose mobility, overheat, or even get stuck on their backs. Without help, they can suffocate due to gas buildup in their stomachs. It's a reminder that even nature's designs can have flaws. Did you know some birds drink blood? The vampire finch of the Galapagos Islands has adapted to a harsh environment by pecking at larger birds and drinking their blood. It's a stark reminder that evolution can turn even the most innocent creatures into predators. The Chinese water deer is a herbivore with a surprising feature: fangs. These fangs aren't for hunting but for fighting during mating season. The rest of the time, they're just a quirky accessory. Evolution loves to mix things up. Meet the gavial, a crocodile with a snout so long it looks like nature hit the stretch button. This unique design helps the gavial catch fish with precision. While it might look odd, it's a perfect example of evolution's creativity. The sword-billed hummingbird has a beak longer than its body. This adaptation allows it to feed on flowers that other birds can't reach. But carrying such a long beak comes with challenges, like balancing during flight. Evolution solutions aren't always convenient. From flightless birds to blood-drinking finches, evolution never fails to surprise us. These strange and wonderful creatures remind us that nature is always experimenting. Which of these evolutionary quirks amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories from the wild. See you next time.